To perform a virus or malware scan on a Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, we're going to start by swiping up or just looking for a specific app called Security. So right here in the app drawer, it should be easy to find. It has this green icon with the shield on it, and there's also a lightning. Click on and open this specific app. Go into Security Scan and then make sure to agree to anything that will pop up. After that, the scan should commence instantly. When it's done, you'll be able to see if there's any threats found on your device. So let's just wait a moment. And in this case, everything looks good, but if you found any threat, you should be able to remove it. It will be displayed right here with all of the things that should be deleted. Just click on those things, and that way your phone will be removed from any malware or virus. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.